It's another epic unboxing. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars. Thank you, and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. You're back.
I'm back.
You're back. How was it?
It was excellent.
Good.
If you want a good week away, go up to the snow.
You've got limbs still?
Yep, no broken bones.
Okay.
Despite my best efforts.
Fantastic. I'm showing this, but we're really going to unbox this.
Yeah, that's just silver.
That's just, what is it? Just out of interest, what do we got here?
Actually, we've got some really good stuff in there. So there's 1 ounce kookaburras, 2021s.
Yep.
There's more kangaroos in, and they are at a really good price actually at the moment.
Okay.
We're getting them really well. Heaps and heaps of kilo bars,
that's a lot of
kilo bars in that,
yep.
Which is fantastic to see. But it's the last two boxes up the end there that I'm really glad have turned up. They're kilo koalas. Probably the last, I know there's one more batch coming in, but that batch and the next batch coming in, I think will be the last kilo koalas we will see for 2021, I think.
Good on you creating that demand. That's a good idea.
Yeah, that's right.
Why not?
Now, this is what I'm really excited about. This is platinum.
Oh, yay.
I love platinum.
All right, let's open it up. Let's enough talking, more.
Even better, this is foreign platinum.
Foreign platinum.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
So, well, foreign for Australians anyway.
Now we've already, I think I'm going to be uploading this on Tuesday.
Yep.
And so we're filming this on Monday, and we just uploaded your little, what was it? Your contemplative thoughts on the market and investing and whatnot, and your little fancy trick that you did. So it was almost very kind of like David Copperfield-esque. That little misdirection, and then the little like bringing the gold out from the nowhere.
I think we're overplaying
really
my hand
cool.
there a little bit.
But I've just got to say, you've had a lot of comments already. It's only been a few hours since it's been up, and a lot of them have been, just they like the rugged look.
This is called not being able to find your razor when you come home.
Okay. All right, let's get this puppy open now. As always, please be careful. We don't want the boss to suffer arterial injuries.
This is the problem with working in a place like this, is you have to check every box all the way down to the bottom, just in case there's something in the wrapping, because it can get expensive if you miss it.
So was it relaxing?
It was really relaxing.
Good.
Oh, some of it was really relaxing. I was learning how to snowboard.
Oh, learning how.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would never say that I was an expert at it, I can tell you.
Okay.
Neither would anyone else on the mountain. All right. Some good stuff to start off with. Let's see if I can never open these pant boxes. The one time I say that on camera, they just drop straight out.
Oh, that one. That one.
That's a few of them actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Mistreatment in the post, I'd say that one.
Okay, well they're going to be going back. Beautiful. Don't mistake it for a silver one.
It's not.
No, let's turn it over. Yes. 1 ounce platinum. Well, that's a whole bunch of platinum we've got in.
Yeah.
We've been doing little bursts every now and then. You have about platinum and white, maybe potentially a good little buy at the moment, particularly in relation to gold.
Yeah.
I'll link above to one of those.
Yeah, it is. I mean, do your own research on platinum, but it's making a comeback now.
Yep.
We had the glut on the market, caused for various reasons. I don't want to get myself into trouble by mentioning what we think they are. But,
okay.
It's now starting to make a real comeback. And the advantage that platinum has over silver to a degree, and I know I'm going to cause chaos here with this statement, but when you mine for gold, you find silver. When you mine for copper, you find silver. It's a byproduct of a lot of mining operations. Platinum is not. So you actually have to target platinum. And it's a mongrel to mine, it's a mongrel to refine, it's a mongrel to turn into whatever you need it turned into. So, I mean, this is just a broad brush statement, but you'll find that the price needs to go up because the glut in the market has been pretty much pulled out.
Got it.
And the miners and refiners won't supply it at this price. So any new production is going to have to be at a higher cost. So
Got you. Of course, that's not financial advice.
absolutely not.
Of course.
Joe's trying to keep me out of jail
Yeah,
there.
absolutely. Mate, when my paycheck depends on you not being arrested, then I'll do what I can.
Glad to hear. No self-interest in that.
Not at
even
all.
slightly.
Not at all.
All right, so
So those pamps, by the way, the ones that were not already falling out there,
Yeah.
that's not good cricket. So we'll speak to the supplier about that one. But those will be up on the website,
they will.
and as will these.
Now, we might as well start on these ones since they're out in the open.
Yeah.
Going to have to open it up, I think. This is why you have to dig to the bottom of every box, because you never quite know what's hiding.
This platinum coins.
No, yes, they are platinum.
Yeah. That's an interesting choice of packaging technique.
It is, but it's effective.
Yeah.
But
Well, there's absolutely no movement. That's pretty cool.
it is.
Oh, I see. Right.
All
right.
Look at that.
Oh, what am I looking? Is that the right way around? Let's see.
Actually, should sit about like.
About that. There
like
we
that.
go. All right, let me get out of that. Oh, okay. There we go. Hang on. There we go. I think that's right. What are we looking at here?
So these are Victory
Awesome. And this is from the
Royal Mint.
lovely. So platinum. There you go. So there you can see. It's a statue or statuette. Would you
Yeah.
call it a statuette? That's not. No, don't worry. I won't go there. I won't go there. Lovely of what I guess Lady Victory, something like that.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So it's Victory something and Harmony. I can't remember what the middle word is.
Okay.
See if I can get it. Oh, Victory through Harmony. That's right.
Victory through harmony. Fantastic. That's beautiful. And of course, the other side. Of course, her Madge. In all her glory, all her crowned glory. Ah, interesting. Very cool. And let's see how close I can get here. This light may not be so conducive, but if you can turn it, please. What do I want? Anti-clockwise, please.
Anti-clockwise.
Yes, thank you.
The other
The
anti-clockwise.
other anti-clockwise. A little bit more because I want to get down the bottom there. It's going to be upside down. No, I see what I'm saying. So it is a what size?
1 ounce.
1 ounce coin. Beautiful.
1 ounce
So
platinum coin.
Britannia, not Britannia. Royal Mint.
Liberty through Harmony.
Liberty through Harmony. Lady Victory, I guess.
Yeah.
Fantastic. How many of those? Just this.
Sorry, not. I said Liberty through Harmony, didn't
You
I?
did, didn't
It's
you?
Victory through Harmony.
Victory through Harmony. So if that's 2 to 10, so what, 20 in total, I think that was?
Yes, that's correct.
Fantastic. They'll be on the website.
They will be on the website. All of these will be on the web.
Excellent.
And then, just as well, Matt gave me some gloves before we started.
Aha.
Some oldies, but some goodies.
Yep.
So if you've got these
Ah, cool.
in gold or silver, you need to get
Have
the
I seen
platinum
this?
version.
Have we seen these before? I don't think I know. I don't think I've seen these
I
before.
don't know.
Because this is going to be, if I'm correct, yeah, that's the tube that I think it is.
It is the tube. That
That's
you
a
think it
Philly
is.
tube.
It is. So
Ah, that's a platinum Philharmonic.
it is, and they're slippery little suckers.
That is awesome. I don't think I've seen a platinum Philharmonic. Oh, absolutely. I've said in many videos and to many people throughout the years, the Philharmonic design, the
Brilliant.
coin, I just love it. I don't know what it is exactly. I just love it.
The musical instruments, Mr. Muso.
Probably something like that, I guess. But no, it's just something about it. It's just sleek. It's clean. It's just great. And the fact that, unless they've got it now, let's take a look at the edge, because I don't think they do the reeded edge, unless this one has the reeded edge now.
This
is
one
it?
has the reeded
That
edge.
has the reeded edge, but the silver coin does not. Okay, cool. Beautiful. A platinum, 1 ounce, I presume.
1 ounce. Yep.
1 ounce Austrian Philharmonic coin. That is something to behold.
And for all you guys, people out there that aren't big on having her Madge on the back,
Oh, you're right. Yeah, there is, of course.
this is a her Madgeless.
Madgeless. It's a Madgeless coin. Okay, I think we've just coined a term. It's kind of like Muggles. It's Madgeless, something like that. That's cool. Yeah. Well, that look. Some people don't want Hermage on the back, and that's fair enough. That's their thing. And that's going to look maple-esque, I presume.
Oh, absolutely it will.
Yep.
As soon as I can get into it.
Beautiful. There's something about Philharmonics that I just really love, the way they package their tubes, the way the tube looks. I know it's these little things, but it's just beautiful.
Yeah, they do a great job.
Yep. And this one does.
It's a Britannia.
Oh, was I absolutely?
You were wrong.
I was wrong on that. Yeah, you
Because
were
I
wrong on
actually
that.
did order some.
Because you know what threw me off? It was the yellow. Oh, okay. So Royal Mint, just Platinum Britannia.
Yeah.
1 ounce platinum.
We have had
2021.
these in before.
Yes, we have had these. Brilliant. Yep, 2021. Just see how close I can get. There we go. And let's just show the other side.
This one's not Her Majesty's.
No. Crowned Majesty. You know what? Recently been seeing, there's been coins and stuff, or I think it's banknotes or something, where Her Majesty sometimes has the crown, sometimes doesn't have the crown. There's a whole thing about that, apparently, a whole conspiracy theory. Yeah, a whole conspiracy theory thing. I don't know. Yeah.
That's it for the platinum.
Fantastic. All right, so whole bunch of platinum. That's going to be
On the web.
on the web.
Yep. It's if you're into the platinum and you're into the different types, grab it while you can. It's not the sort of thing we bring in very frequently. It is difficult to get hold of from overseas. So if it floats your boat, grab it while you can. And obviously, on a personal note, I think it's a good investment from my side. So,
Cool.
That's not investment advice. Take it as you want.
Absolutely.
And then there's all that silver that's just arrived just before we started filming, also turned up. So some of that's some good stuff that won't be around for very long. The others is just the staples, the kangaroos and the mint bars of the kilo mint bars. So we always try and keep them in stock.
Fantastic. All right. Thanks, Rugged Michael.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. You're going to go home and shave that thing off, aren't you?
I'm going to try, yes, if I can find a razor.
Don't do it. Don't do it, mate. All right. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.